Okay, good afternoon. I'm Jayashree Kannan. I'm 58 years old, and 10 years back my life was as normal as all of you. I would go to work and I had two children to raise and my husband busy traveling, and life was very nice. I was working for an NGO where they used to coordinate adoption, and I was very busy coordinating 13 agencies adoptions, and the job was really fine and I enjoyed doing what I was doing. And then my visits, I never used to go to a doctor because I rarely fell ill. And the only time I remember going to the hospital is when I delivered my children. So I started feeling unwell. I started having the normal things like headache, cold, cough, bloating, stomach heaviness. And I would visit the doctor often, and every time she would say nothing to worry, and I would come back. And my visits to the doctor increased more and more. And till one fine day, I really felt something was really wrong with me. And that is when I happened to read an article in Times of India about ovarian cancer and all the side effects and how that illness spreads, and a lot of information about that ovarian cancer. And as I was reading it, I felt I had all those symptoms. So I rushed to my doctor the evening and I told her what I read and what I feared. But she just put me into rest. She said, "Don't worry, it will not be, nothing would be wrong with you." But still, I went for all those tests, and what I feared really came true. I was diagnosed with stage 3 ovarian cancer, and and I really needed to go immediately for a surgery, and doctors advised chemo. And this was in 2007, July. And anyway, I went through the entire treatment and I came out of it. But something I really didn't feel good within, even after the doctor declared that I was fine and and go back to my routine. And slowly, as I was getting back to my life, within 9 months, in October 2007, it relapsed. And it was quite shocking in October 2008, October. And that time I really felt more upset than the first time. I felt, I was not confident as before. I was thinking, now how will I deal with this illness again go through surgery, chemo. And I was looking out for some alternative at that time, but I really didn't come across anything which I could really feel, okay, this is going to take me and make me feel good. And anyway, I went through the surgery, and the first chemo was really bad. I started feeling I was feeling in the dumps. I had so many side effects, and to counter the side effects, the doctors prescribed so many medicines, and it was just not doing anything for me good. And I was really feeling low. And that's when my friend came and visited me, and she gave me a book to read written by Louise Hay. I didn't know who the author was. I've never read her books before, and this was the first time I was going to read her book, and I was not in any mood to read the book. And later, after a couple of days, since she had to return the book to her friend, she just called me up, and I said, let me read the book. And I just flipped through the pages, and I came across a page which said Inner Child. And that is when, something told me I should read this book. And cover to cover, I just sat and read it at one go. And what I understood from that, what the author wrote, was something which I've never thought before. I never even was exposed to it. She was talking about limiting beliefs and the self-esteem and things like what we carry, our emotional baggage. Being a psychologist, I could connect to it very well. And I said, now where do I need to start from? I really didn't know where to start, because this book gave me another way of looking at my cancer. It was an opening for me to work with my cancer other than the allopathic drugs which the doctor was prescribing. So one of the things I read about the author and her recovery from her childhood abuse and her own cancer, she had written that she worked on herself a lot, on mind, body, spirit, and she went on a lot of whole plant-based diet. And this was something which my doctor never introduced me or even talked about. And I said, let me try this. And I really felt a kind of, an energy surge inside my body, saying that, I've got something to work on myself. And, I was really feeling positive. And I went through the net and I got a lot of information on whole plant-based diet, how it would help us to recover. And I came across Sharan's website, which had given a lot of information and a lot of books to read. So I sat and I read through all those books and things, and went to the website, and somewhere I was convinced that the whole plant-based diet is going to help me to recover. And my next meal was bowls of salads and fruits, and I've never eaten salads and fruits at all. I've never eaten raw in my life. And what I noticed is within 1 or 2, 3 days, the green juices and the salads actually did a lot of good to me. I started feeling so good. My mouth ulcers went away, my bloating went away. I started feeling so energized, and I was not actually feeling sick. And my chemos, the side effects of chemo almost vanished within a week. And I was feeling so good, and I never looked like a patient within a month. I started feeling so good. And then I started learning more about it. I started attending a lot of workshops, cooking classes to understand more about this whole plant-based diet. And somewhere I felt I was not convinced, at the same time I was convinced, because there's so much going on in the allopathy medicines, at the same time we are not exposed to it. So I would have attended so many workshops of Nandita's, read so many books, and to convince myself, but at the same time I found results. I started feeling so good, healthy. I slowly reversed my osteoporosis, I reversed my thyroid, and my cancer was almost gone. I started feeling so good, and within 7-8 years I didn't look like a patient. I started looking so good, healthy. And then I attended so many times Nandita's workshop that she told me one day, why don't you become part of Sharan? And then I was so open to it, and immediately I said, this is the thing which I should be doing to spread this awareness to people and help people to heal. I mean, I just took up the offer and I became part of Sharan. Now I'm part of Sharan for the past 2-3 years. I try to do workshops, I do a lot of cooking classes. And life has become so different for me. It's so beautiful. I don't feel I was sick at all. I went through whatever I went through is all in the past, and there's no looking back at all. The moment I went on a whole plant-based diet and started working with my emotions, thoughts, and working on all my baggages which I carry, letting go of it, I think life has really changed for me. And I am looking forward to share this knowledge with more and more people, so that they also get into that recovery path and feel that confidence that cancer can be reversed, and you need to have to suffer with a cancer diagnosis. Thank you.